Kelly, your ninja marketing expert, and today I wanted to give you a very quick video on how to craft a really brilliant offer for buyer lead generation. Now, some of you won't be able to take advantage of what I'm going to talk about in the video, but it's well worth watching. It's not going to be that long, and this is a strategy you can share with other people in your company, maybe people that are closer to what we call USDA opportunity zones. So today we're going to talk about crafting a zero down home loan offer to buyers, right? So USDA, a lot of people think erroneously that USDA is for low-income people or farmers or people that want to buy a lot of acreage, that's way far away. That's just not the case. USDA was set up so that people could take advantage of zero down payment home loans away from city population centers. So for instance, if you live or if you're in downtown Orlando, obviously that's not going to qualify or surrounding that for USDA. But if you go out a little further from the city, you start to get into opportunity zones. So I'm going to put the link to this website on below the video. Go ahead and check out your area. So why do we want to concentrate today on this? We are talking about creating offers. One of the things that real estate agents struggle with is crafting really good offers for their client, whether you're working with a seller or a buyer. Just saying, hey, I'm going to work 110% for you. I work for a really good broker. We did X amount last year. I'm going to give you access to the MLS, updates every 15 minutes, and you're going to be able to find homes and blah. That junk don't work anymore. You have to have a hard dollar offer that makes sense to the buyer. Why are they going to pick you, agent, out of all the other agents or the seller of the home? Why do they want to work with you? Become very valuable. Drop value-added bombs on them. For instance, veering off for a second. Hey, when you work with me, we're going to provide the boxes you need to move at closing. We're going to take care of, and now these are different offers. We're going to take care of your inspection fee when you work with our team. We're going to take care of your moving van expenses for the first day to assist you in this move. See, guys, these are offers you can be dropping. When you work with me, I'm going to guarantee that you will love that home. We have our love it or list it guarantee. For the first 18 months that you own it, we're going to guarantee that you're going to love it. If you have to sell it for any reason, you contact me. We're going to list it and not charge you a commission. Guys, these are offers, right? So today we're going to talk about zero down payment offers. When you are dealing with buyers, think of the magnitude of importance you will raise with that buyer if you can get them into a home that they're going to love in an area that they're satisfied with. And they don't have to spend thousands or tens of thousands of dollars on a down payment. You'll be the hero. So what you're going to do is log on to this site. And again, I'll drop the link below and just type in an address. Let me just type in one of our homes that we sold. Now this address is not going to be USD eligible, but I want to show you how, important this is. So if you'll notice, that address is right there, right? But yet if I go just a little bit above me, everything in that dark brown, I can't really do USDA eligible. If you'll notice over by Orlando, there's quite a bit of Orlando. This whole area, we can't do it. But I live right in this area. That means everything here is USDA eligible, guys. So I can literally craft offers in this entire area for people to have zero down payment options. So guys, use this. Find addresses in your MLS. So what you're going to do is you're going to, even put your address in it if you want to check, and then go outside of your address and find addresses on the MLS in these areas and start crafting offers. Put it on Facebook. Put it on YouTube. Do a Google pay-per-click. Do postcards. Whatever you have to do, but start crafting offers for people to have zero down and use this site to check homes that might qualify. I hope this has been valuable to you. Again, guys, this is all coming down to what your offer is. If your offer makes sense to them, if these people were thinking of living here, but they can go literally 3 miles to here, they can have a home 3 miles from that home and save. On a $300,000 home loan, they can save $12,000 at closing. What can they do with that cash? Maybe some home improvements. Maybe do some granite. Maybe put some new laminate floor. Guys, the sky's the limit. I hope this has been valuable to you. Make sure you use this site. make sure that you are using and crafting this for your buyer lead generation. All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. As always, I've got tons of videos, guys, free lead generation videos, things that can help you as a real estate agent. Like you, I'm an active agent and I'm building a team. If you're not satisfied with your current broker, we should talk. I want to share with you what I'm doing. Our team in the last month sold over 800 units. I want to share with you what we're doing. I want to share with you how our agents are creating income in multiple ways, not just in the listing and selling of homes and closing buyer deals. Guys, we are getting wealthy by taking real estate by storm and using the real estate industry to craft high value businesses. Enough about that. Drop me some comments below, and I would love to share with you what's going on in our neck of the woods. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.